In this video, I'm going to talk about one job opportunity, and it is for the position of mobile developer. So at the very first here, we need to talk about the role. As I already told about, it is for mobile developer. Then let's see some responsibilities for this job position. The first one is that translate business requirements into a reversed solution. Then the second one is prototype and develop a scalable and reliable mobile application. Then the third one is enforce quality at each level of the application development. Evaluate and implement new related technologies to maximize development efficiency. Then work closely with other developers, designers, support representatives to manage and enhance the applications. So these are the responsibilities. Then let's see what are the requirements to apply here for this job. Affinity for product design and building appealing user interface. Then expertise in object-oriented design principles. The expert knowledge of native platform and its features. Then good communication skill, 0 to 4 years experience in native app development. And the last one is students graduating in 2021 will not be eligible for this process. So if you are shortlisted here, then they will contact with you through mail for further evaluation. The interview process will be carried out online, so you just need to have a leftover computer with the front camera and good internet connectivity. So to apply here, you just need to simply put your name, mobile number, email address, years of experience, expertise, and just need to upload your resume here. Then just simply click here submit. Then everything is done from your side. So if you're shortlisted, then they themselves will contact with you for further evaluation. So check the video description to get the link of this job.